Hey guys, welcome to my show. This is Dr. Divorce. My name is Will Salgado, and I am an attorney in Modesto, California. I provide services in areas of family law, which includes divorces, custody, and child support. I also do criminal defense, and I do bankruptcy, which is isolated to Chapter 7 bankruptcies only. The reason why I'm making this video is because I've had a lot of callers during my telephonic conferences or telephonic consults that I've had with people who need help. I've had my office open for telephone consults now since COVID started, and a lot of people have been bringing up the topic of domestic violence. Sadly, the stay at home or stay in place or stay in shelter orders have caused a lot of couples, a lot of intimate partners, or people who live together to get into conflict. And so I do want to bring to your attention that there are agencies here in Stanislaus County. I urge you, if you're not from this county, to look up resources or talk to attorneys within your county and find out what organizations are helping out people for domestic violence in addition to attorneys. The first such organization here in Stanislaus County is the Women's Haven Center, or the Haven Women's Center of Stanislaus County. They have a general line, which is 209-524-4331. Normally they would answer that line, but they don't have anyone answering it because they don't have walk-ins or a receptionist anymore where you would walk in, to my understanding. So they do have a line that goes to a live person at 209-779-4459, and that would be the number to call if you're seeking assistance with a restraining order, if you're seeking assistance with home placement and counseling services. I'll give you that number just in case you do need those services. They do have a crisis hotline. Essentially, if you've just been a victim of a sexual assault case, or just been the victim of a domestic violence incident and you need immediate help, that would be possibly a time that you would call the Haven Center at 209-577-5980. That is their hotline. I'll put these numbers down below. That way you guys can write that out. But please do remember that their offices are close. There's no walk-in, so that's why I'm giving you these numbers so that you can actually call instead of trying to go to their offices and walk in. Okay. Haven will obviously help out in areas where women have been the victim of domestic violence. They also help out in areas where children and women have been the subject of crimes or human trafficking. And they provide advocacy. They'll provide an advocate to help you, to accompany you in court so you don't go alone. They also provide counseling services as well. And as I said, home services if you need a place to stay. The second organization is the Stanislaus Family Justice Center. They do what the Haven does, but they're not just limited to intimate partners. They help out a wide variety of people. And so they help out with restraining orders, human trafficking cases, sexual assault cases. Their phone number is 209-525-5130. So if you need their assistance, please call that number as well. The last organization that I do want to mention is the Self-Help Center. The Self-Help Center is the office or the clinic that was on the second floor, or is on the second floor of the Stanislaus County Superior Court of 8th Street. And that obviously is shut down because of COVID-19, but you still can access it online. If you go to stan.ct.org/self-help center, you can get information there, including an email address where you can get the help to fill out the forms if you want to do the restraining order on your own. Now, of course, if you need the help of if you need the assistance of an attorney, you can contact any licensed attorney in Stanislaus County or an attorney of your choosing. Just make sure that they have experience in family law, such as myself. My office, Salgado Law Office, has helped many people with domestic violence restraining orders and civil harassment restraining orders. So you just call the phone number 209-300-7825. Like I said, I've been doing telephone consults. I've received a lot of calls with people who are just at a loss because they're stuck with a batterer, there's domestic violence, and they want to get out. And sadly, that's the situation we find ourselves in. So please remember, I do family law, criminal defense, and bankruptcy, and I'm here to help you. And other organizations are here to help you. So much love to everybody. Hope you stay safe and from the comfort of my own home. I will do another video another time. You guys be good.